Hi, welcome to Total Students Training Tutorial for Faculty. In this video, we're just going to take a brief overview of our platform. When you first log in as a faculty member, you will see four main pages. The first is your dashboard, which will show your personal stats. The second is the school organizations page. This will show you all of the organizations in your school. Third is the memberships tab, which will show you the memberships that you currently have as well as the current memberships that you have pending. Lastly, you can see the rewards that are offered by your school and your personal reward requests. If you are a faculty member that is an advisor or a coach of an organization, you must first request to join that organization so the admin can give you level 3 rights. To do that, go to the school organizations page, search for your organization that you're in charge of, and request to join that organization. The admin will then accept you to that organization and give you level 3 permission rights. Once the admin gives you rights to your organization, you will be able to manage, view, and edit that organization. Simply click on the organization and you'll have access to announcements, school events, permission level aliases, memberships, and membership requests. Please watch our next video where we will dive deeper into each one of these sections to help you manage your organization.